Welcome to Profitboost Software online training video. We're going to learn how to add parts and labor to a job that is on an existing repair order. We first choose the repair order, choose the job. In this case, the concern is the fuel filter needs replaced and there's a leak under the engine. That's the concern from the customer. We can hand type in a job title, or we can choose from the library. The library is something you'll want to grow over time so that within time you have most of your common job titles. Choose the category from a pre-populated list of job type categories. We're going to call this maintenance, and we can put in the diagnosis from a technician or a diagnostician and a recommended repair, and save. If you have created an inspection that follows the procedure of replacing a fuel filter, this is where a technician would step by step follow the predefined inspection process or job process. Now, to add labor, we go to labor. We have multiple ways to add labor to the repair order. Freeform add labor allows you to choose the technician, hand type in the description that the customer would see and any internal notes, and choose the number of book hours that it would take to put the fuel filter on. Or we can go back and from the labor line choose add from library. So you have a library of labor lines under the maintenance, and you could have a labor line here predefined with a rate time and add it that way. Or if you're integrated through our motors parts and labor guide, you could add it that way. So there's three ways to add labor: freeform, from your pre-populated library, or from motors. Adding parts, we click on parts. There's multiple ways to add parts. You can add a part freeform. You can add it from your inventory of on-hand parts in your parts room, or if you have a database downloaded into your system of existing part numbers, description, prices, you can search that database or catalog. Or if you're integrated to Epicor, Transtar, Nextpart, or WorldPack, you can via the internet reach out and buy from your local part stores and add parts that way. Fees and discounts is where you can add fees, shop supplies, hazardous waste, many things there. And if you want to give a discount to your client, you can manage the discount. You can give them a parts discount, a labor discount, and you can give them a dollar amount or a percentage amount, whichever you would like to do. You can also click job notes and add a note about the job. This note is something that's hidden that the customer does not see. It's just a way for you to keep track of something that you might have seen while you were doing the repair that you want to refer back to later. So it's very simple to edit the job, add the labor, add the parts, add fees or discounts, and make notes. Thank you for watching.